Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the JBL Flip 4. As we open the box, we can clearly see that the packaging of the JBL speaker is quite nice. What we will find in this box is the speaker manual. From the start, JBL's Flip 4 Bluetooth compact speaker looks fundamentally the same as 2016 Flip 3. In any case, looks can be bewildering. It's really a marginally greater speaker, weighing 1.14 pounds to 0.4 pound more than its forerunner. And it's canvassed in progressively sturdy texture with a more tightly weave. As a major aspect of that outer plan change, the Flip 4 gets a few changes within, including new drivers and an apparently greater battery that conveys 12 hours of battery life, rather than the Flip 3's 10 hours. The speaker is likewise now completely waterproof rather than just splashproof. So the nominal output power of this speaker is 16 watt, and its frequency response is 70 to 20,000 Hz. In the backside, we can see the power button and the JBL Connect Plus button. In the top side of the speaker, we can see that it has the play button, Bluetooth button, plus and minus button. In the battery side, it is a 3000 milliampere and it is 12 hours as I've said, and its recharge time takes about 3.5 hours. So this speaker supports the JBL Connect Plus, which connects up to 100 JBL speakers that also supports the JBL Connect Plus. So what are we waiting for? Let's listen up to this speaker. So for overall review is that I like these speakers because they give enough bass since they are small speakers. They are best suited for picnic or if you're looking for a portable speaker that can be used in your room. So that's all guys, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Keep safe guys, and see you at the next unboxing.